So guys, they just delivered our chicken. So I just want to show you guys how we stock our fridge.
It could be champagne, a cold beer, it's up in the air. It could be downtown or in the country, as long as you're there.
I don't care who RSVP'd, only one VIP to me, babe. The last to leave and the first one there. I ain't gonna miss that party. You alone for not to celebrate. Nothing in the world gonna stop me. Throwing it down like it's a holiday. We gon' light it up to the very last song, and I'm the one that gets to take it home. I ain't gonna miss that party, no way, no way.
You make me feel like I'm falling, like I'm fed New Year's Eve. Girl, it's crazy, amazing what you do to me, yeah.
I don't care if it's wall to wall, you're spinning me like a disco ball. Boys, I can turn, it's only you and me. I ain't gonna miss that party. You alone so not to celebrate. Nothing in the world gonna stop me.
So guys, done washing. So the chicken, we normally cut it in different sizes for different purposes, okay? So if you watch, some are for jollof rice, for stew, for chicken pepper soup, you know, for different purposes depending on what we want to cook.
I don't care who RSVP'd, only one VIP to me, babe. The last to leave and the first one there. Oh, no way, no way, no way, no. Ooh, I ain't gonna miss that party. You alone for not to celebrate. Nothing in the world gonna stop me. Throwing it down like it's a holiday. We gon' light it up, gonna let it last on, and I'm the one that gets to take it home. I ain't gonna miss that party, no way.
It's recently started.
Oh,